replacement of noun, it is a replacing noun. Okay, let me revise what is noun. Naming word. Pronoun, replacing word. It replaces the noun in a sentence. मैं बार बार शुभ बोल रही हूँ. How many times do I say शुभ? I am tired, so I will say he. Okay, for example, मैं मेरी friend को बोल रही हूँ कि I have a student named शुभ. He takes class at 8:30. He is quite meticulous. He places full attention in the class. He listens my class. So I am talking about you. तो मैं बोलूँ शुभ listens my class. शुभ attend the class at 8:30. शुभ writes notes. शुभ answers me. He makes videos. कितने बार मैं शुभ बोलूँ? मैं बोलूँगी he. Okay? Clear? Replacing noun in a sentence. So now I'm not gonna take your name. I'm gonna say he. So pronouns are replacing words. So all these things comes in the category of structure words. Understood, Shub? Okay, Shub. So structure words are articles, conjunctions, prepositions, pronouns. जैसे कि अगर मैं बोलूँ ये building, if I take an example of this building और मैं बोलूँ कि शुभ यहाँ पर bricks are there, cement is there, foundation is also there. Shub, why can't you use it as a house? Shub, pillars are there, foundation is there, boundary is also there. Shub, why don't you use it as a house? आप बोलोगे no ma'am, I cannot use this as a house. Is my voice audible, Shub?
Yes, sir.
Okay. तो सब कुछ है लेकिन फिर भी doesn't have a meaning. जैसे मैं sentence बनाऊँ and I'm using a and the, for, above, below. I make a sentence like this and this doesn't convey any meaning to you. लेकिन I say शुभ right. If I say शुभ right, can you understand?
No.
If I say शुभ right, can you understand something with that? दो words ही मैं use कर रही हूँ लेकिन मैं बोल रही हूँ शुभ right. तो आपको समझ आ रहा है? आपको समझ आ रहा है? That means I want you to write. So that is content words. So content words are made of nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, which are conveying meaning in the sentence. जैसे noun और verb को मिला लो. I say शुभ write. आप लिखोगे. मैं बोलूँ शुभ listen. आप सुनोगे. मैं बोलूँ शुभ intelligent. आप समझ जाओगे कि आपकी मैं तारीफ कर रही हूँ. This is how the content word conveys the meaning in a sentence. Got it, Shub? Content words, we are using just two words, right? शुभ right. आपको समझ आ रहा है. लेकिन अगर मैं यूज करूं structure words and I'm telling in, on, शुभ, and, in, on, above, a, आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा. Can you tell me what is the meaning of the word emphasize?
मैम किसी चीज को बढ़ा चढ़.
Yes, emphasizing मतलब laying stress on. Giving importance to a word in a sentence is called as emphasizing. Say the definition in red color, Shub.
Giving importance to a word in a sentence is called as emphasizing.
Yes, so emphasizing word means making it stand out. For example, Shub, we have a class today. तो मैंने emphasize किस पे किया? Class पे. क्योंकि it meant lot to me. और मुझे I told you मुझे punctuality and timing बहुत important है. So I say Shub attend the class on time. I have emphasized on the word on time. लेकिन आपके लिए क्या important है? आपके लिए attending the class is important. So you say I attend the class. Please students, everyone attend the class. You are emphasizing on the word attend. लेकिन मैं emphasize करूँगी on the word time. तो जो भी आप convey करना चाहते हो, the important word, phrase or sentence in your paragraph or speech should be emphasized. आपकी जो speech में, जो content में, whatever the main thing is, that should be emphasized. ठीक है? You understood what is emphasized now?
want to show मैम मैंने उनके ऊपर स्पीच लिखी है मैम मैं एक बार आपको सुनाऊं.
हाँ सुनाओ.
Good morning teachers. Good morning respected teachers and friends. My name is Shubh. I am myself Shubh. I am 14 years old and I am rocking in 9th grade. My favorite subject is maths. When I am not studying, you probably found me playing with my friends.
Okay.
I am from 11 years in this school. I'm excited to learn with you all. मैम फिर उसके बाद लिखा है कि thank you to giving me this talent opportunity. Dr. S.T. Dr. S.T. Malik ma'am is also known as Suman Devi Malik. She was born in 1944 in Pakistan at the place known as Sargodha, of a cute girl. In her family is full of joy of 7 sisters and 2 brothers. Her interest towards studies is grateful. Her dream was to become a doctor, but when she realizes, she changed her path to become a public motivational teacher. Her father's name is Miss Sri Ram Asreji and Miss Kesari